I discovered 4 Samsung features that changed my life, and they're about to change yours too. Now you might be thinking, I know my Samsung pretty well, but trust me, what I'm about to show you goes way beyond the basics. I've spent countless hours digging through settings, testing obscure features, and even chatting with Samsung developers to uncover these secrets. Did you know your Samsung can double as a full-fledged computer, or that it has a secret mode that can stretch your battery life for days? These aren't just random tricks. They're powerful tools that can work together to transform how you use your device. But here's the real question. Which one of these features will be the game changer for you? The answer might surprise you. You know that moment when your phone rings at the worst possible time? In class, at work, during a meeting? Yeah, everyone's been there. But what if your phone could automatically mute itself before you even stepped inside? That's exactly what modes and routines on Samsung devices can do. This feature is an absolute lifesaver when it comes to automating your phone settings based on your daily habits. No more scrambling to turn your ringer off, your phone does it for you. And it's not just for work or school. Heading to bed, modes and routines can automatically lower your screen's brightness, enable Do Not Disturb, and even switch to dark mode. For me, when I step onto my school campus, my phone automatically disables the ringer, so I never have to worry about getting called out in class. Setting it up is easy. Just go to Settings, Modes and Routines, and from there, you can either choose a pre-made mode or create your own custom routine to fit your lifestyle. Want your phone to automatically turn off Wi-Fi when you get home? Done. Need it to launch your music app when you connect to your car's Bluetooth? No problem. Samsung lets you customize routines to match your life perfectly. So yeah, no more embarrassing moments. Modes and routines might just be the feature you didn't know you needed. Ever been stuck with 5% battery, no charger in sight? Yeah, nightmare mode. But what if your phone could last hours or even days on a single charge? That's where extreme power saving mode comes in. This is extreme power saving mode, and it works by limiting access to apps, disabling background activity, and even switching your screen to grayscale to use less power. The result? Way longer battery life. With this mode on, your phone uses only the essential functions, helping you survive way longer on low battery. But heads up, Samsung's estimated battery time can be a little optimistic, so your actual usage may be a few hours less. Turning it on is super simple. Just swipe down from the top and tap power saving mode. As you can see, only a few apps are available, but here's the good part. You can customize it. Just tap the 3 dots at the top right, hit edit, and now you can add or remove apps to fit your needs. So the next time your phone is about to die and you need it to stay alive just a little longer, extreme power saving mode is your best friend. You know that annoying feeling when you're working on your PC, but you have to keep picking up your phone to check messages, transfer files, or even make phone calls? Well, what if I told you you don't have to? Samsung's Link to Windows feature lets you fully integrate your phone with your PC. This Samsung exclusive feature turns your PC into an extension of your phone, letting you send and receive texts right from your computer, make and take phone calls without even touching your phone, instantly transfer photos and videos between devices, copy and paste seamlessly between your phone and PC, and even access and control your phone's apps right from your computer. And the best part? No cables, no hassle, just a seamless connection between your phone and your PC over Wi-Fi. Setting it up takes less than a minute. Install the Link to Windows app on your Samsung phone. Make sure both your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. And step 3, sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Lastly, pair them up and you're good to go. From transferring files in seconds to texting without pulling out your phone, Link to Windows makes multitasking effortless. If you have a Samsung phone and a Windows PC, trust me, you're gonna love this feature. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. This last hidden feature might be something you've never seen before. It's called Developer Options, and once you unlock it, your Samsung phone will have way more power and customization than ever before. By default, this menu is completely hidden, but once activated, you gain access to a secret set of features designed for developers and power users. And trust me, You don't have to be a developer to take advantage of these settings. Ever used an app that doesn't support dark mode? Developer option lets you force dark mode on apps that don't normally have it. You can also speed up, slow down, or completely remove animations, making your phone feel faster than ever. Need to see exactly where you tap on screen? Turn on pointer location or show taps, and now every touch is visible. And that's just the beginning. There are even more powerful developer options you'll unlock. Here's how to unlock it. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times. Enter your PIN if prompted, and boom, developer options are unlocked. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and now you'll see developer options at the bottom. Inside developer options, there's a whole new world of features that give you greater control over your Samsung device. Whether you want to boost performance, tweak animations, or customize settings, this hidden menu is a must try. So there you have it, 4 Samsung features that completely changed how I use my phone. From automation with modes and routines to unlocking hidden power with developer tools, these features can truly transform your experience. Thank you for watching.